Good day to you, aspiring APS Kilobytes. In this video, I'm going to continue from where I stopped in my previous video. As you can see, we've been able to complete the Kindle version of this book. So we want to move to the next one, which is the paperback. So you click on this again, and then you are going to go to paperback. You remember we have already talked about the Kindle, how you can actually publish that. So now the paperback, you're going to click. You don't have much to do here because all your information, your book title, everything is what you're just going to be putting here, just like the way we have already input it on the other one. You can easily copy and then go to the next one. So let me just quickly copy and paste them here so that you can actually see what you are expected to do. So if you have published your book, automatically everything that you have imputed in that one, everything is going to be on this particular place. The only thing you need to do is just so once you open it like this, you are just going to refill everything that you have filled in the other one. You are going to refill it there, the essential keto diet cookbook. Just refill everything. So when you are filling that one, just make sure that you have written everything down. But because I did not publish that one, I didn't have published it, it should have written the name here and every information that I put on that one should be here as well. But because I did not publish it, so that's why I have to redo it again. So let me just put some things here just to move forward. Let me just say upload. Let me just quickly move on to the next one so that I can show you the next thing that's important. So when you are writing a paperback book, you need to have, you can see we have preface, we have first name, we have middle name, we have last name. Just put your first name and your last name, which is Prince. Then you go to the last name, which is Arex. So that is for paperback book. So we go down here to the description. So remember the description? Just let me just go to ChatGPT to quickly copy the description that we used the other time. So once you get to ChatGPT, you still remember here, you just copy your description, then we come back here, you just paste it here. For the sake of this video, I'll just be very fast so that you can quickly understand. So primary source, we don't have it here. Then this minimal is plus 18 plus. Then you scroll down to this our keyword. They said, now look at here. They said your category. You remember the category finder that we used the other time. You can just this is very important. When you are publishing your paperback and you are publishing your hardcover, you need to make sure you change their category again. You have to change category. You need to change one or two things in the 7 backend keyword, even it's B. But I'm not changing anything much. Just change little. Let me just change comfort food, Italian food. Let me just choose general. No, let me choose another one here. Cookbook by ingredient, cooking method. Then I choose cooking for two. Then I choose organic, slow cook, and that is that. So once you are done with your category, you click on save. So once you have saved, unlike the other Kindle that we are told to choose 2 categories, on paperback you are allowed to choose 3 categories for your book. So make use of book both. Make use of book both to get lot of KDP category finder so that I can easily put your book on where it is okay. So that is that about that. So this 7 backend keyword, you remember, just put anything there. Just put what we have put in the other one. Make more research. The process that we follow, put it there. So include it here to get lots of keywords for your book. So after you are done with that, then they said the next thing you want to do, my book was not previously published, then just click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, they said you must specify your publishing rights. Okay, I've not specified that one. Where is it? Okay, this is it. I own the publish, I own it. So let me just continue like that because I want to show you something in the second page that we are here. So this second stage, although I'm sure if you're my student, you would have gotten everything required, everything necessary, you would have gotten it here. But in case you've not gotten it, that is why I'm going to be doing it. So if you have your own ISBN and you can just put it here, you can just put it here, get a free. You have to just click on get a free. So they are going to give you a free one for your book that you're going to be using. So you can see they've already given me just so quick and fast. So now this one now they are asking us here that what type of book do you have? The print option. If you want people, people will be buying this paperback. Now, if they want to buy this particular book now, do you want them to print it in black and white interior, or you want them to print it in black and white with cream paper, or standard color interior, or premium color interior? Anyone you want, you are going to choose. But me, majorly, I like black and white interior with cream paper. So that's what I used to use for my book. So this one now, what is the trim size of your book? This is where it is important. Before you create your book, you need to have your size that we use. So I use, if you remember, for those that already watched my video, you remember that I use 8 by 11, if you are not mistaken. Or again, if I'm not mistaken, we use 8 by 11. So we are going to click on it. 6 by 9 and 8 by 11 are majorly, mostly closer to each other. So 8 by 11. Let me just quickly check it. Let me just put it here, 8 by 11. Then you click on select. So once you click on select, then you can see no bleed. My book is no bleed. So what do we mean by bleed and no bleed? That is another tutorial entirely, because when I'm writing a cookbook, I'm always using this particular bleed or no bleed, but I'm going to be explaining more in my other video because I don't want this video to be too much at all for you. So you're going to be putting no bleed because the book has no bleed. So the other one is paperback, and you choose how you'd like to laminate this one. So I just choose anyone that you like, just choose it. So upload your manuscript. You upload your manuscript here again. So where is my manuscript? So let me get to that book. You upload it back here. So once you upload your manuscript, now this is where we are going after you are done uploading your manuscript. They are going to be asking you book cover. You need to have your book cover. If you don't have your book cover, you remember that in my video that I did for book cover generator, I told you that you can easily generate it on Amazon KDP. For those that don't have book cover, you can easily generate it from Amazon KDP. But if you already have your book cover, let's say you don't have it, just click on launch cover creator. Just fill in all the details of your book. They are going to generate the cover for you. But for me, I've already generated my cover. I've already put everything necessary on them. So I don't need to do all these ones here. So let me just go back and then just go and upload what I have presently with me. So I already have my own. Let me just cut. You can see this is what they are talking about. They are going to do it for you here. So I don't really need this one. Let me just click on the back one and then continue to upload my book. So I have it. Let me just click on my own upload. Then what do I need to boot? Upload my file. So can I still remember the name that I use? Okay. Uh, I'm not sure I remember the name. Yeah, let me just quickly go to my Canva and download it. Let me go to my Canva. Let me go to Canva and quickly download it. So when I get to here, let me just scroll down. It's still here. This is it here. So I just need to just download it and then I can easily use it on my book on Amazon KDP. So if you don't know how to do this, because if you don't know how to do this, just check the video in the description of this particular video. I will attach the link of how I arrived at this particular design. I will check everything and you can also use that to do your own two book for Amazon KDP. Because the back of this book, there are some things underneath this book. Let me just show you some things that you also need to include in your book when you are trying to go on. So you can see the cover creator, everything, you can see it underneath it. Aha, so we covered it with this back. So you can also need to, if you want to know how to do that, I will attach a video that will show you how to do that. Under this, on the description of this video, you are going to get that. So let me cover this one up. Okay, so I've covered it up. Let me just download it and then go and upload it on Amazon. So you are going to download it as PDF. Please don't forget, you are going to download it as PDF. PDF print, not PDF email. PDF print. That's what you're going to download it as. So once you're done downloading it, so once it is done loading, then I go back to my Amazon KDP to go and upload it. So it has been downloaded. Upload file. So once you click on upload file, the untitled document, that is it. I think it's the untitled document. So let's upload it. Once we are done uploading it, we are good to go with that one. So we don't really have nothing much so far. Where we have much is what we have done at the beginning of this training. So this paperback and hardcover, they are not something much at all. Just you upload your cover and you are good to go. So after that time, they said, yes, my barcode, I don't have. They said this one has been uploaded successfully. My cover has barcode. My own cover does not have barcode. So, sorry. My cover does not have barcode, so I'll leave it. They will generate the barcode for my cover. So then let's move to the next one. AI generated. Yes, it is AI generated. Text is with extensive editing. Then I use chat, GPT. Then images. I said many AI, one or few AI with extensive. Then I use Canva. So then translation, that one, I don't do anything translation. So they said you should launch the preview. Your device browser window is too small. So let me just click on OK. So once you click on OK, that is that about that. We move to your pricing and then you also put in the price. So you can see this is it now. They are trying to show us the preview of everything. So we are just going to, I've already generated the barcode for me, just like you can see here. So just click on next to check everything in your book. As you can see, everything in the book is already intact. There is nothing. If there is an error, you are going to see the error here so that I can fix the error. But as you can see the book that there is no error. You can see how cool, how calm the book is. Did you see that now? Well edited. Because I took my time. I remember I wrote this book for 1 week. 1 week. That was what I used to write this book. It's over 100 pages. So you can see it's 118 pages book. So did you see that now? Just to make sure that I got the best of this particular thing. So you click on approve. Once your book is okay, just click on approve and then you go to the next page. I've already clicked on this approve now. So let's move down to the next one. So the next one is for you to go and then what do you want to do? Just to launch preview and then the next thing is just save and continue. So this save and continue, the last part of it is just to put in the pricing. They said select an amount of AI generated. I've already explained that one the other time now. I do not have anyone here. Let me put none. I don't have. I do not use any AI generated. So let me just click on continue. So once you click on continue, you also put in the price, just like the way you put in the price the other time. Go and make research and then you put in the price of your book. Once you are done putting the price of your book, then you click on submit, and that is how to publish on Amazon KDP. If you have got value from this video, please and please drop in the comment section how you felt after acquiring this knowledge from APS Skill Up Institute. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.